Okay. She is help me to what? You should put like she is help me to do the laundry when I'm sick. So you have to add to after the subject, after the object me, and then you put to, and then the another complement. Selanjutnya kata keterangan. Begitu. Try again. Zela. Baby. Yeah, that's the one. The other one is correct. She is help me to read Chinese language. So okay. Jadi she is help me when I'm sick itu dihilangkan aja ya Z. Ya Zela. Jadi kita pakai she is help me, she's helping me, she's help me to read Chinese language. Okay? Good. So yeah. Huh? That's what I'm saying. She is helping me would be more lebih betul. Right? She is helping me to read Chinese language. I'm just trying to how to say, to correct the spelling. Jadi saya mau spellingnya Mbak Baby Zela ini biar lebih bagus seperti itu. Itu emang begitu Z atau kamu typo? Typo kali ya Z. Iya sih. Oh iya typo. Baiklah. Saya mau Dewi Susanti kasih contoh. Hello, Dewi. To write a story, yeah, that's nice. That's a nice example. Thank you. Anyone want to try? Nunggu saya. Iya banyak sekali ya. Yuk dari Anggun dulu deh. Again, I'm sorry. Breakfast every morning. Yeah. Thank you. Oke, selanjutnya Mbak Eti. Oh, thank you. How sweet. Baiklah, ada lagi yang mau coba? Atau kita continue to the next? You know what? I'm really scared to just move on. Iya bener. Cego banget. Mesti move on juga di komen. Baiklah. Okay, so Zella said next miss. Okay, Zella, we're gonna continue. Okay. So we have preposition plus ing form. Jadi, well, I think we are already familiar with a preposition, right? Kata keterangan, ada kata keterangan lokasi, tempat, dan juga movement. Nah, di sini kita cuman menambahkan preposition diikuti dengan ing form, kata kerja with ing. As you can see in the example, are you interested in working for us? Jadi di situ ada berapa coba? Ada berapa preposition? Really? Tidak di kalimat yang baru saya omongkan saja. Are you interested in working for us? Iya betul. Oh my god, saya tuh mau. Iya betul. Siapa tahu kan karena saya bilang ada berapa terus nyari mana ya. My god, you guys are amazing. Jadi seperti itu ada kita pakai preposition, selanjutnya kita masukkan kita diikuti dengan followed by ing form. Simple, right? We just gonna choose one preposition and then after the preposition followed by verb 1 plus ing. Okay? So we're gonna continue to another to the next slide. We have I'm not gonna use move on anymore. From now on I'm just gonna use continue to the next slide. We have conditionals, everybody. Well, again, we talk about conditional sometimes, not a lot, not like indefinite or passive, but anyone, do you guys want to try to explain a little bit about conditional? Yuk, siapa yang mau nyoba? Mbak Linda masih kerja ya? Oh, gak tuh ada Linda. Annie helped me to buy a ticket. Oh my god, that's so good, Linda. Thank you. I just saw your message. That's so good. Ada yang mau nyoba? Ayo. Dua-duanya dong. Gini, itu kan ada 4, there's 4 types of conditionals, right? I want you guys to choose one, explain about the conditional, and then give me example. Ya, silahkan Mbak Eti. Yep, that's so good. State of fact, right? Maybe. Yeah. Okay, that's nice. That's okay. Thank you, Mbak Eti. Anyone want to try? Yeah, Anggun. Okay, go ahead. Thank you. Mm-hmm. Mm. Example? Use your own example dong. Maaci loh. Yo. Yeah, sure. Yo. Mm-hmm. If you go there, you will get unlucky. Uh, it's okay, but you have to be specific with there, what there you talking about. Jadi there-nya yang seperti apa sih? If you go there, where to go? Ya betul. You say if you go there, you will be unlucky. So if you go to the concert, you will be unlucky. So if I'm not going to the concert, I will be lucky. Really? Oh my god. That's like, oh my god. Okay. Okay. So, well, the thing about conditional, first conditional type, if the action, it's like cause and effect, right? If the action A happens, we will gonna have the B action, something like that. Okay. So if we didn't do the A action, the B will not happen. Right? Jadi cause and effect. Seperti itu. Baiklah, second conditional, anyone to try? I think it's the easiest part of the conditionals. We can't really recognize second conditional right away. Ya, silakan Anggun. So, let me just talk about it. So, second conditional is something about your wishes, your dream, but beyond something. So it's unlikely to happen. Jadi sesuatu yang tidak mungkin terjadi seperti itu. Jadi kita cuman berangan-angan. It is impossible. Sorry, what do you say again? The thing is, because people could not gather wings, right? So it's like an unreal situation. Yeah, unreal. Jadi nggak real, tidak realistic, something like that. That's the second conditional type. And then, how about the third conditional? Anyone? No, if the zero one is stating the fact, right? The third conditional, we are talking about if only. Jadi there's an event we already passed that event, but we would like to go back to that event to change the situation. Jadi kejadiannya itu sebenarnya sudah berlalu, tapi karena hasilnya tidak memuaskan, kita berandai-andai untuk kembali ke sana, dan mengubah situasinya seperti itu. Kayak, if only I study harder, I will pass this exam. Nah, masalahnya itu tuh examnya sudah berlalu dan kamu gagal. Jadi kamu berandai-andai, ya ampun seandainya ya kemarin aku tuh belajarnya benar-benar, pasti aku lulus ujian. Something like that. We wish that we could turn the time, we could go back to the time and then change the situation. This is like absolutely impossible. Ya betul. So this is already happened, but you want to change it to be better, but you just can't. Jadi this is totally impossible, ya kan? Yang berlalu sudah berlalu, move on lah, begitu kan Mbak Aci? Begitu, iya. Jadi, well, you don't have just move on with your life. Well, pasti kita punya sedikit penyesalan, cuman ya udahlah, udah terjadi ini seperti itu. So third conditional is about you want to change the situation. It's already in the past, but you wish you could change, something like that. Okay? That's the conditional. And then let's move on to conjunction. What is conjunction? Conjunction juga merupakan kata penghubung. So there's a sentence and then another sentence, and then we put conjunction there to connect the words, the sentence. Seperti yang ada di, saya nggak tekan lagi, okay, I'm really sorry. Seperti yang ada di gambar, ada sentence, kemudian conjunction di tengah-tengah diikuti kata berikutnya, right? How to say, I don't like singing, but I like dancing. See? 0. If I eat too much, I get fat. Why, Linda? Why do you have to give me that example? If I eat too much, I will get fat. Oh my goodness. Thank you. Thank you so much. You guys are amazing students. I really love you guys. Anyway, let's continue to the conjunction. Okay, sentence, conjunction, and then sentence. Like my example, I don't like singing, but I like dancing, right? I go to the hospital because I don't feel well, right? Anyone can give me another example using conjunction? Yeah, one is okay. Choose one. Yeah, choose one and then put it in a sentence. Yep, because I like writing because makes me more Majin, what do you mean by Majin? Oh, that's not how you put it in a sentence. Like, I like writing because it makes me imaginable, maybe imaginable, and then feel happy. So you use because and N. Yep, thank you. Another one. Sorry? Yeah. Since is actually the meaningnya since itu sama mirip-mirip kayak because actually, tapi since itu jarang digunakan, lebih banyak orang pakai because. Nah, kalau since di awal kalimat beda lagi kalau since di tengah-tengah ya. Sama deng, bisa artinya tuh sama-sama karena, cuman penggunaannya aja lebih sering because. Ya. Yeah. I will no. Iya. Ada dua jenis itu kan since jadinya sejak kan, sejak saya ini. Tapi bisa juga artinya karena. I will use Facebook since my Twitter account got blocked. Jadi saya akan menggunakan Facebook karena Twitter saya diblok, seperti itu kan. Tapi you can't use, cara kita membedakannya kan gampang sekali kan. Kalau dia sudah dimasukkan ke dalam kalimat, kita tahu since yang mana sih yang dimaksud, apakah since sejak atau since karena. Jadi kalau tadi contohnya Mbak Etik itu kan I like writing since I was young maybe. Jadi kan it doesn't make sense if we put the since to be artinya karena kan, kayak saya suka menulis karena saya muda. What? It doesn't make sense. So we can recognize the meaning after we use it in the sentence. Kayak see and see. See melihat dan see lautan. Jadi kan kita kalau ada orang ngomong see and see, what do you mean see and see? Tapi kalau kita sudah masukkan ke dalam kalimat, kita tahu see yang mana sih yang dimaksud, seperti itu. Kalau kita ngomong kan kita nggak bisa bedakan how to say the pronunciation because it's the same, see and see. Tapi when we put it in a sentence, we know which see. I see you. So we talking about see melihat kan, tidak mungkin I see you, I laut you. It doesn't make sense. That's what I'm saying, right? Oh my god, again. Stop with the move on. Baiklah, ada lagi yang mau menambahkan? Silahkan sayang. Until ya. Ya. Yup, you have to wait until I come back. Nice. Jangan move on dulu ya, tetap tunggu saya, begitu kan, Mbak? Selanjutnya. Iya, betul. Ada lagi? Since. Ya. Okay. We are yeah. We are in a relationship since we were in a high school. That's so nice. Udah lama banget ya, Mbak. Jago ya. Setia, iya betul. Selanjutnya. Ya. That's so good. Thank you. Ada lagi? Kalau however itu kayak however, tetapi gitu ya, kayak I am going to I'm going to work today. However, I might cancel the work if something happen. Jadi kayak, oh, how do you call that? Oh, like I've been reading this book. However, I didn't get any idea. Gitu. Iya, not really. Could be meskipun, tapi meskipun itu lebih ke although loh mbak, although, even though, gitu. I still in love with you, although you cheat on me, gitu. Meskipun, aduh curhat lagi, selesai ya, semua curhat di sini. Oke, jadi I'm still in love with you, even though you cheat on me. Nah itu meskipun, tapi kalau however tidak seperti itu, kayak as this example, I keep reading this book, however I still can get the idea. Jadi saya terus baca buku ini, tetapi saya nggak dapat idenya, nggak dapat maknanya, seperti itu. Lebih ke tetapi sih, cuman it's so hard to namun betul. Oh my god, apaan sih mbak? Stop with the curhat ya, seneng banget curhat. Okay, so oh my god, whatever, sama lah, kita kan jomblo yang bahagia. We're not jomblo, okay, we are single, we're not jomblo, okay. So this is, jadi ini ada contoh conjunctionnya di sini, bisa mbak baca. Terus di sini ada contohnya yang lebih banyak lagi, okay. Well, di sini juga kan gak ada although dibilang, tapi ada juga di sini kan, gitu. Kadang mereka lupa membuatkannya mbak. Oh udah habis ya? Oke, baiklah, karena sudah habis, saya mau ngomongin tugas sebentar. Selanjutnya kita mau ke modul. Oke, yang pertama tentang tugas. Jadi kan kita masih ada 2 tugas lagi kan yang harus kita selesaikan. Yang pertama adalah tugas mentranslate teks, yang nanti saya akan provide teksnya, saya sediakan teksnya, terus mbak-mbaknya translate. Mohon maaf. Selanjutnya mbak-mbaknya translate. Terus yang kedua, kita akan di TTM kedua nanti kita akan presentasi sama topiknya. Nah, topik yang Anda pilih untuk Anda translate, untuk ditranslate oleh mbak-mbaknya, topik itulah yang nantinya akan jadi topik presentasi. Jadi biar nggak 2 kali kerjaan gitu. Jadi satu topik aja dipilih, itu yang akan ditranslate dan itu yang akan dipresentasikan. Nah, apa sih bentuk presentasinya? Sama seperti ini, Anda cuma cukup menjelaskan topiknya itu, misalnya kan translating guides. Nah, apa sih guides itu? Terus sebutkan language points-nya dan provide example. Seperti yang kita lakukan kayak gini. Gitu. Tapi don't take it so jangan terlalu don't push yourself so hard, because I know you have a lot of things to do. Bukan cuma tugas saya, tugas dosen-dosen lain juga ada. Tetapi saya akan provide the teksnya. Jadi ada naratif, ada business letter, ada drama, ada history, ada interview, ada news and magazine, terus ada news in newspaper. Kalau di buku kita kan, kalau modul 4 itu ada dua learning activity kan. Misalnya kayak di modul kita yang sekarang itu modul 8, kayak ada teks history of navigation dan history of language. Kayak di translating news ada newspaper and then